This week's challenge is the 180. How to 180. Have your feet level. Turn your bars, that's called carving. Lift, level out, and spin. Keep your head turned. Where your head's turned, that's where you go. Also, a little tip for 360s is to keep your head turned, because a lot of people, they turn and then turn back and they don't do full rotation, it just stops. Here's how to 180 slow-mo as best I can. Carve, up, boom. Tricks that you can link with the 180 are 180 airs. Crazy, right? Alright, you can also do tricks within a 180 or out of a 180. I almost had it. Sorry for the bad writing, it just hurt my collarbone. So, yeah. How to improve the 180 is to set a board down on the ground and 180 over it, just like you would improve your bunny hops. Same thing. You can also put high objects on the ground to increase height of the 180, or you can build a spine and 180 over the spine. Download Turning Events today.